Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 111, Part 1. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Waste Company right now. It was facing you who is rushing through. We received a call from Jin Nanfeng about the board members who's having commotion and asking questions and trying to withdraw stocks on the Wei family. Well, it is really bothering. That's why Wei seeing you right now. She was rushing to go back to the company. Several major shareholders are already sitting in the large conference room. It doesn't look good. Nanfeng is informing her, well, definitely, there's something happening about Uncle Chen Lin's, that's why she have propaganda. Moreover, it was all played by Chen Lin. Well, definitely. He really hated Chi's family. Presumably, Uncle Chen deliberately arranged for them to come. Well, Wei Xingyu is right. All of this is because of Uncle Chen Lin. But how can Wei Xingyu face Uncle Chen? Right now, she need to face more shareholder first. Suddenly forced the Falas to catch up off guard. Fortunately, you have already started your layout last month. How is our project progressing? Wei Xingyu is asking Jin Nanfeng is the one who's taking control of this. In order to reduce the dependence of funds, most of the project funds at this stage came from Jinjia. Now, they arrive on the meeting room. It will take half a month to completely finalize such a large cross-border cooperations. Well, it was good then. Finally, Jin Nanpeng family is helping them. No problem. Since the project is negotiated, we can give Uncle Chen one. Oh, it turns out Wei Xingyu, she really learned a lot, especially on this. It turns out she was really succeeded on taking financial and business courses before. The salary of the bottom of the fat. Well, definitely. She was really ready to face all of them right now. Facing you, she is really too confident. It is good that she is really smart, so she can able to answer all the questions. But right now, the uncles are already sitting in, and it was facing you who's waiting for them. Well, at this moment, it seems that it was really crucial for the Wei's family to be able to pursue this uncle. Their uncle said, Wei Xingyu, I hear Lao Chen withdrew. What about a little girl in the Chi family? Is there such a thing? Well, they look all serious. Definitely, they really want to ask questions about what will happen to the company. Since Uncle Chen already withdrew his funds, Lao Chen has been little farther away from Jishao many times. Not only you don't listen, he also repeatedly intervened in the Ji family affairs. Even a few days ago, the Ji house was on fire. Also broke to save her. Is this a little too much? Right now, hearing this, of course, it was facing you. Seems to be getting angry. Facing you, she need to calm down. How to solve this problem? Do they really think I'll abandon Jisha for this? Facing you just took back the Wei family's business. The uncle wants to dictate her. Right now, of course, facing you. She won't really bother about this. What's more, I heard that Jishao is still disabled. How can be worthy of you? I know all of you uncles are rooting for my sake. Facing you said to the uncles. Right now, she's trying to explain herself. Also, what is the future of the company? However, judging from the court report, there's no stain on Jishao. I can get back to the way business without her. She has also helped a lot. In my eyes, she is absolutely reliable. Now, she's trying to explain her. But of course, you need more evidence to prove. Therefore, I don't want everyone to use the family background to characterize people. Facing you, she was really great on approaching people, especially trying to explain herself on a soft way. Well, definitely right now. The emotional problem is my personal matter on today's occasions. Inconvenient and it was inappropriate, right? Facing is trying to explain to them that they don't want to discuss on. Facing you, we don't want to denounce your private life. It's just that project as big as 57 without Lao Chen's financial support, it's impossible to complete it. As long as you put the little girl in the Chi family, first Lao Chen will not embarrass you, the man said to her. Uncles, you don't have to worry about the project funds. Well, definitely, Wei Xing Yu. She was really smart and she already outsmarted Uncle Chen about this. It's been prepared a month ago. The courtier's company of the country intends to cooperate with us to provide us financial support for the project. This is the detailed plan. Wei Xing Yu is trying to explain to them. The uncle seems to be surprised. Now, it was Wei Xing Yu. We the courtiers have been negotiating since last month and now cooperation is a certainty thing. So uncles can rest assured these funds will never be a problem. Definitely, this is a good plan for her. But uncles, Wei Xing Yu, have you started to prepare not to cooperate with Lao Chen? One of the uncles said, well, definitely. Facing you, been prepared for this. I didn't expect that there's someone who's gonna help. Now, facing you, that's right. Now, she looks really confident. Of course, with the oppression of Uncle Chen for the past months, and Chisho has been targeted, of course. Facing you needs to find another alternative plans. She can push out Uncle Chen from their lives. But in the first half month, Uncle Chen has been refusing to sign a complete contract with us under the various excuses. Now, Wei Xing is trying to tell them. But one of the uncles said, if we really think about Wei's, why would she withdraw his capital at such a critical time? Well, Wei Xing was right. Just took over the company just a few months ago, and now everything is messed up. After all, the Wei family annexes the Chi family company, so it makes sense. Well, did Uncle Chen plan this? Plan to take over the whole Wei's family? Such a large piece of what falls into the hands of my newcomer. I'm afraid that some people will inevitably feel itchy, right? Right now, it turns out it's been settled. Facing you right now, it seems that she's going to convince the uncle. With her proper excuses and explanations, everything will went well. Well, it's no doubt that Wei Xingyu is really a good person with a good heart. Even though this uncle wants to betray her, Wei Xingyu, you don't want to continue to cooperate with Uncle Chen or choose the courtier. I think on courtiers, we can give it a try. I really believe on Wei Xingyu. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.